What's up, world? Welcome to Years with Yodi. You know me, we get straight to the point. Today we're gonna do a little different. Today we're gonna talk about options. An option price can be influenced by a number of different factors. These factors can either help you or hurt you depending on what your precision is. So to be a successful trader, you need to know what these different factors are that affect option pricing. And one of the biggest factor is what is known as the Greeks. And that's what we're gonna talk about today in this video. Greeks are a set of risk measurements that are named after the Greek letters that denote them. There are 5 Greeks, but only 4 of them matter. So today I'm gonna be using Robinhood on my MacBook. So I select the Tesla, you hit option, and you can click, I click the call. So we're gonna click an option. And as you can see in the bottom, it says the Greeks. There's Delta, Gamma, Theta, Vega, and Rho. But like I said, only 4 of them matter. Delta is very important. Delta measures the impact of a change in the price of a stock. So it basically how much the option premium will increase or decrease with a $1 change in the stock. So I hit the 680 call. So as you can see, the delta for this one option is gonna be 0.4854. So as you can see right here, Tesla is 677. So if Tesla goes up by 1, it's gonna be 678. That means you're gonna add this premium, 0.4854 till 1585. So 15.85 plus 0.4854. So again, if Tesla goes up $1, you're gonna add the 0.4854 to the option price. So it's gonna be $16.33. So for every $1 that Tesla goes up, you're gonna get an extra $48 on top of your premium. So that's very important to know. And that's gonna be Delta. The next one is gonna be Gamma. Gamma measures the rate of change over time. So we need to understand that the price in the stock is constantly changing. So let's say Tesla goes up $1. You now have to add the Gamma to the Delta. And Gammas are usually higher for at the money plays. These ones over here, they're in the money. These are out of the money. And at the money just means that it's basically as close as to the share price as possible. The deeper it is in the money, meaning the deeper you're in the money, like let's say we're gonna choose an option at 300, boom. As you can see, there's no Gamma because it's so deep in the money. Same thing if you go all the way out the money. Is going to be lower. So again, the more you're in the money and the more you're out of the money, the less the Gamma is. So higher Gamma have higher risk because they're unfavorable. So like I said, if Tesla goes up $1, you then have to add 0.0092 to the Delta, that's 0.4854. And the new Delta is going to be now 0.4946. So remember, for every dollar that this stock goes up, you're going to add the Gamma to the Delta. And then that's going to be the new Delta. And then that new Delta, for every dollar that goes up, you're going to add that new Delta to the premium. So that's how your options become more profitable and more premium. And that's how you make more money. So the higher these stocks go up, the more money you make. All right, the next one on the list is Theta. Theta measures the rate of time decay in the value of an option. So as time goes by, the profitability of an option being profitable or in the money goes down. So theta will be the amount of value an option will lose every day that goes by. So for people who buy options, theta is a bad thing. It's not your friend. But if you sell options or sell cover calls, cash secure puts, etc., then theta is your friend. One thing to know about theta is that it accelerates the closer we get to the expiration date. And this is because there's less time to make a profit from the trade. So remember, every day that goes by, your option is gonna lose this much, 1.8. So about $180 depending on the expiration date that you chose. Okay, so you choose the expiration date, I chose the 16th. So the closest it gets to the 16th, the theta is gonna be deducted from your premium, so you're gonna lose money. So remember, theta is not your friend unless you're buying puts or cash secure puts or selling covered calls or stuff like that. So remember, the closer it gets to expiration, the less your contract is worth unless the price keeps going up and it keeps rising. The next one on the list is Vega. Vega measures the risk of change in implied volatility. Vega focuses on change in expectations for future volatility. So Vega tells you approximately how much an option price will increase or decrease by a 1% change in implied volatility. So the higher the volatility, the more expensive the option gets, since there's a greater chance at hitting the strike at some point. So when you're buying, it's a plus. And if you're selling, you benefit from drops in implied volatility. So Vega will drop as we reach expiration. And this one is row. Like I said, row is not really important. Traders don't really look at this one. Row represents the rate of change in interest rate. It measures sensitivity to interest rates. Again, this one Greek is not very important. You don't really need to know it. So again, to be a successful day trader, I recommend you learn the Greeks. It'll give you a lot of insight on how much you're gonna make if the price goes up, how much you're gonna lose if the price drops, and how much you're gonna lose the closer you get to expiration. So guys, I highly recommend you learn the Greeks. And if you have any questions, comments, concern, feel free to drop it in the comment section. By the way, guys, to find out the Greeks on the phone, on a mobile phone, you would just hit trade options. You would click the date. You would click whatever price, you would click it. And then you would hit the bid and ask price. And then in the bottom, that's where it tells you the delta, the theta, the gamma, the vega. So that's how you do it on your mobile phone. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that ravishing like button, subscribe, click the little notification bell. Also, I have my Discord link in the bottom. It's brand new. I only have 2 weeks with it. We have 128 members. It's a brand new community. Guys, join. I've been hitting grand slams. I've been hitting it out the park. Trust me, join. You won't be disappointed. And that's going to be all. Thank you for your time. Peace.